One mother is talking to WLWT one day after an Ohio judge temporarily blocked a ban on gender-affirming care from taking effect. Her child has received gender-affirming care for years in Ohio. WLWT News 5's Giacomo Luca is in Walnut Hills with her family's story.
Well, that law was set to take effect next week, but it won't because of that Franklin County court ruling, which delays it for at least another 2 weeks, leaving a momentary sense of hope for people like Linda Nix, a Liberty Township mother who says gender-affirming care saved her son's life. When Linda Nix's teenager came to her 9 years ago, telling her they were pansexual and eventually they weren't comfortable with their gender assigned at birth,
but I didn't understand it.
At first, unknowing and a bit resistant to what seemed like a sudden transition, Nix saw the impact this had on her only child, including thoughts of suicide. So Nix sought help.
I knew I needed help trying to figure things out. I knew Alex should get some help.
Years later, with counseling, affirming care, and a gender transition, Nix says her son Alex is happier than ever, but worries for youth in the state that would be barred from gender-affirming care if HB 68 moves forward. The bill would also stop trans girls from participating in youth sports. Now House Bill 68 is being challenged in a suit brought by the ACLU, representing two 12-year-old trans girls and their families, arguing the law violates the state's constitution's single-subject rule for legislation and says it discriminates against trans youth.
You know, we should put a premium on parents and parents making decisions in regard to what's in the best interest of their child. Nobody loves that child more than their parent. And these are parents who are making decisions based on the best medical advice that they can get. And for the state to come in and say, we know more, government knows more, Columbus knows more in this area, it just, to me, was the wrong way to go.
Meanwhile, Ohio Attorney General Dave Yost is defending the law, saying, quote, "This is just the first page of the book. We will fight vigorously to defend this properly enacted statute, which protects our children from irrevocable adult decisions. I'm confident that this law will be upheld." Now, we did speak with health experts here at Equitas Health in Walnut Hills, an LGBT community health center, who say they also have extreme concerns about how banning gender-affirming care would impact trans youth across the state. Meanwhile, the bill, it remains on pause until the courts continue to play that out and see whether or not opponents will win that permanent injunction they're seeking. I'm Giacomo Luca in Walnut Hills, WLWT News 5.